Looking for a budget gaming controller that doesn't skimp on modern tech? Say hello to the Lenovo S02, a gaming game changer packed with Hall effect sensors and broad compatibility. But is this affordable controller really worth it? Let's find out. The gaming world is buzzing with new releases, but today we're zooming in on a sleeper hit, the Lenovo S02 Controller. It's priced at an astonishingly low $29 and promises high-end features like Hall effect sensors, customizable vibrations, and multi-platform compatibility. But here's the big question. Can it stack up against more expensive controllers from heavyweights like Xbox or PlayStation? Spoiler alert, it just might surprise you. Whether you're a casual gamer or someone who lives for arcade button mashing, this controller has a lot going on for such a small price tag. So grab your popcorn or your joystick. Let's break it down. The Lenovo S02 arrives in a simple, minimalistic box, nothing overly fancy, but it gets the job done. Once you open it up, you'll find everything neatly packed. The controller itself, a USB-C charging cable, a 2.4 GHz dongle, and a quick start guide. Right out of the box, the S02 impresses with its build quality. It feels lightweight yet sturdy in hand, striking a good balance between portability and durability. One standout feature is the textured grips on the handles, a thoughtful addition that makes longer gaming sessions more comfortable, especially if your hands get sweaty during those high-stakes moments. The button layout sticks to the standard design: 2 joysticks, a responsive D-pad, and the classic A, B, X, Y buttons. However, the S02 sets itself apart with its turbo button, perfect for rapid inputs in certain games, and a modern USB-C charging port, which is both convenient and future-proof. Overall, the Lenovo S02 makes a solid first impression. It's clear that Lenovo is targeting gamers who want practical features and decent quality without breaking the bank. But looks and features are just the beginning. How does it perform? Let's dive into the specs to find out. Now let's talk features. This isn't just a run-of-the-mill budget controller. It's packing some serious tech. First up, the Hall effect sensors. If you're not familiar, these use magnetic fields instead of physical contacts to register input. Why does that matter? 2 reasons: better precision and longer durability. Traditional sensors wear out over time, but Hall effect sensors practically built to last. Next, the turbo button. Imagine being able to execute 110 button presses per second, perfect for arcade-style games or quick-time events. And the best part, all it takes is holding a button. Now let's get into connectivity. The S02 offers impressive versatility with 3 ways to connect. First, you can use it in a wired mode via USB-C, ensuring a stable and lag-free experience. For those who prefer the freedom of wireless gaming, the controller supports Bluetooth, making it easy to pair with smartphones or compatible devices. Additionally, it includes a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, providing a reliable connection with low latency for platforms like PC or the Nintendo Switch. This trio of connectivity options ensures that the S02 adapts seamlessly to various setups and preferences, making it a truly versatile choice for gamers. This means you can seamlessly switch between your PC, Nintendo Switch, or even your smartphone. Rounding it out is a 600 mAh rechargeable battery. Lenovo claims up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. And when it's time to juice up, USB-C makes the process quick and painless. Finally, let's not forget the adjustable vibration settings. Whether you want a subtle rumble or full-on feedback, you're in control. All these features make the Lenovo S02 a strong contender in the budget controller space. The S02 is designed with versatility in mind. It's compatible with a range of platforms, including PC, Nintendo Switch, and smartphones. Switching between devices is a breeze thanks to the multiple connectivity options. During testing, the controller performed exceptionally well on PC, with precise inputs and low latency. On the Nintendo Switch, it connected effortlessly with a 2.4 GHz dongle, providing a smooth gaming experience. Smartphone pairing via Bluetooth was equally straightforward, though the latency might vary depending on your phone's Bluetooth version. One thing to note is the absence of additional back buttons, which some pro gamers might miss. However, for casual gamers, the layout is more than sufficient. The turbo button is a standout feature. Whether you're firing rapidly in FPS or tackling a rhythm game, this function adds a unique edge. Plus, the adjustable vibration settings elevate immersion, especially during intense gameplay moments. Overall, the S02 offers a polished user experience across platforms, making it a strong choice for gamers seeking versatility. Now, how does the Lenovo S02 stack up against the competition? Let's break it down by comparing it in two categories: high-end controllers like the Xbox Series X controller and other budget-friendly options. When placed side by side with the Xbox Series X controller, the S02 offers a compelling alternative for gamers on a budget. Sure, it lacks the premium build quality, ergonomic refinements, and advanced features like swappable components or textured triggers. However, it fights back with Hall effect sensors in the triggers, providing impressive precision and durability, an edge that even some premium controllers don't offer. For casual gamers who prioritize functionality over luxury, the S02 can hold its own. Next, let's look at other budget options, such as the Power A Enhanced or the 8-bit Do SN30. This is where the Lenovo S02 starts to shine. While most budget controllers limit themselves to wired or Bluetooth-only connectivity, the S02 goes further by including a 2.4 GHz dongle for low-latency wireless gaming. Additionally, the turbo button is a feature that's often missing from competitors in this price range, giving the S02 an extra edge and versatility. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The lack of back buttons might disappoint competitive players, and the joystick sensor type remains unconfirmed, a detail that brands like 8-bit Do handle more transparently. However, for just $29, the Lenovo S02 offers a feature set that punches well above its weight class. If you're looking for affordability and functionality without major compromises, the S02 is a strong contender in the budget controller market. Let's break it down with some quick pros and cons. The Lenovo S02 stands out with several appealing features, especially at its affordable price point of just $29, making it an excellent budget-friendly option. One of its key highlights is the use of Hall effect sensors, which provide durable and precise trigger inputs for enhanced gameplay. The controller also excels in connectivity, offering versatile options including wired USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless connections. For gamers who love fast-paced action, the turbo button is a game changer, enabling rapid inputs ideal for specific genres. Additionally, the adjustable vibration feature lets users tailor their gaming experience, adding a layer of immersion that's rare at this price level. While the Lenovo S02 offers excellent features for its price, it does come with a few drawbacks. The lack of back buttons might disappoint competitive gamers who rely on them for quick access to additional controls. Additionally, the controller's limited availability, being primarily sold as an import, could make purchasing and delivery less convenient for some users. Another point of uncertainty is whether the joysticks utilize Hall effect sensors, as this detail remains unconfirmed. However, despite these minor setbacks, the pros of the S02 far outweigh the cons, especially when you consider its budget-friendly price. So should you buy the Lenovo S02? If you're a casual gamer or someone on a budget, the answer is a resounding yes. For just $29, you're getting features like Hall effect sensors, multi-platform compatibility, and a turbo button, all wrapped in a sleek modern design. While it may not rival premium controllers in build quality or advanced features, it's a fantastic entry-level option that doesn't compromise where it counts. However, competitive gamers might want to look elsewhere for features like back buttons or more customizable layouts. And keep in mind, availability might require a bit of patience, especially if you're importing it. But for the price, the Lenovo S02 is hard to beat. It's proof that budget controllers don't have to feel, well, budget. So, what do you think? Is this your next gaming controller? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming tech reviews. Catch you in the next video.